A rolling stone gathers no moss. In ancient times, animals and birds gathered to elect the king of jungle. The lion and the eagle were the candidates for kingship. Each claimed to be superior to the other. The matter could not be settled. Consequently, a battle broke out between them. The bat's behavior was very odd during the fight. If the animals seemed to be winning, it went to them and claimed to be one of them as it milks its young ones. However, if the birds seemed to be winning, it went to them and claimed to be a bird, as it can fly like them. It kept on changing its loyalty throughout the fight. At last, the animals won and the lion was declared to be an absolute king of jungle. The bat went to animals to congratulate them on their victory, but they turned it out saying, "You are a bird. For you fly like birds." Then it visited the birds to console them, but they also banished it and said, "You are an animal, because you milk your young ones." Since then, it lives alone in the dark. Moral: a rolling stone gathers no moss.